How long do you have to use Minoxidil? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. Minoxidil is a hair loss medication. It's one of the 2 FDA-approved medications for hair loss. It helps men with male pattern baldness or women with male or female pattern baldness. If you use Minoxidil for any of those reasons, it's reasonable to continue using it because as long as you use it, the effect of it is going to be there. When you stop using it after a month or 2, you may start seeing that you're going back to where you were supposed to be. Unless you take another medication or use another treatment options like finasteride or other alternatives like herbal DHT blockers that could be more effective, you don't want to stop using Minoxidil. If you do that, you may lose the effect of it almost shortly within a few months. I hope you learned from this video, and if you have any other comments, put them in the comment section. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more on hair loss and hair restoration technology.